8 compliments that make us women melt. Well, hello, darling. Welcome. My name is Arica Angelo, and here, my love, we talk about women, attraction, sex, relationships. And you know, it really warms my heart that you want to know how to make her melt. What a great guy you are. Now listen, if you're new here, I want you to subscribe right now and turn on that notification bell. So here's the first thing I want you to say to her when trying to melt this woman. I want you to say this: wow, that dress looks heavenly on you. Now, when you're saying these things, it's also, I wanna say this, it's the tonality in which you say things. So imagine saying it like this: wow, that dress looks heavenly on ya. It makes it sound like it's swell, it's fantastic. But when you say it like this: wow, that dress looks heavenly on you. Ooh, ay, que rico, papi, melt me like some butter, okay? So it's the tonality in which you say it, which leads me to the second one. You smell like a flower, lovely. So you're calling her lovely, or you can call her beauty, but letting her know that she smells like a flower. One that says that you're getting close enough to her that you can smell her and she's like, ooh, this guy's like in my space. I think he wants me. Number 3, and some of you guys have said this to me in the comment section, and I'm like, oh, isn't that sweet? But it's this: that lipstick on you is perfect. So you know what that says to her? It says that you are thinking about her lips and that you want to kiss her. But it also makes her melt because it lets her know that you are paying attention. The 4th one is, I could stare into your eyes for ages. They have so much depth. That tells a woman that you are looking into her soul. You're going beyond the exterior and you want to see the real her, and that makes us women really melt. Oh, you see me, do you? Now, if you've not taken my attraction quiz, then I highly encourage you to take that quiz right now. The next one I want you to say is this: your hair is like silk. It is so beautiful. Listen, there's something about a woman's hair that really makes us come alive. It makes us shine like this little flower blossoming. So when you compliment a woman's hair, it's also pointing to the fact that you are noticing all of her, not just her face, not just her tits, not just her ass, but even beautiful things that she's taken the time to make pretty for you, like her hair. And trust me, us women spend a lot of money on that, so acknowledging that is really helpful. This one is a great one because it's gonna show that you are a man with depth. I want you to say this: your passion or your love for whatever it is that she's passionate about mesmerizes me. So your love for animals mesmerizes me. Like, some women are really into adopting pets and things like that, but find out what it is that she's passionate about and tell her that that love, that passion that she has mesmerizes you. The next one is this: you're killing me in those shoes. That means that you are a man of observation. And I don't know what it is, but guys who observe things are very sexy. So that says to her that you are checking her out. You are observing her from head to toe. So those shoes are killing me. And the 8th one is this: I want to make sure, before I tell you, that you stay to the end, because if you are new, I encourage you at the end of all my videos, and you don't want to miss it. I love to see your eyes dance when you talk about, and that's where you also interject what she's passionate about. So like, if someone were talking to me, they would say, I love to see your eyes dance when you talk about helping people find love. that says that you are seeing into my soul. They say that the eyes are the windows to the soul. So when you are complimenting her eyes and how her eyes light up and react to her passions, that is saying that you are a man who's not just interested in her body, but that you, my dear, you are interested in her depths, in her soul. So tell me in the comment section below, which one of these was your favorite and which ones are you going to tell her? My love, when it comes to melting us women, the most important thing that you can do every time is be sincere. Sincerity goes a long way. It's not just telling her some fast lines, some cheap lines, but it's saying it from a place of sincerity, that you really are into this woman. And the fact that you are watching this and that you want to melt her with these compliments tells me that you are already a sincere guy. So make sure that she feels that from you by you feeling it for yourself inside first and foremost. Remember, you got this, because you have what it takes. And you, my dear, you're already loved. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you the next time.